Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller and initiating pairing. Insert AA batteries or plug the USB-C cable to charge. The LED shows battery level. Once powered, press the Xbox button to wake the controller so the console or PC can detect it. Next, press and hold the pair button on the controller until the LED flashes, then activate pairing on the console or wireless adapter. This creates the initial connection, so you can move to firmware and input setup without delay. Once paired, you configure inputs and update firmware to ensure responsiveness. Open the Accessories app on Xbox or Windows, then test sticks, triggers, and vibration. Recalibrate if drift appears. If a firmware update prompts, apply it now and avoid disconnecting the USB-C or Bluetooth link to prevent corruption. After updating, customize button mapping or create profiles for different games, and save at least one profile to the controller so your preferences travel with it. To finish, test the controller in a game and refine sensitivity and dead zones until aiming and movement feel natural. Make sure your firmware stays current. If latency matters, switch to wired USB-C mode for a stable connection. If you encounter issues, restart the controller by holding the Xbox button for 6 to 10 seconds and then repair it. This reset often clears connection or input glitches. Use repairing only if the problem persists, and then reapply any custom profile you saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.